Welcome to Passive Profit Plan. Today's video is about YouTube affiliate marketing, growing your channel and income. If you're an affiliate marketer looking to leverage the power of YouTube to grow your audience and boost your affiliate income, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into effective strategies and techniques to help you become a YouTube affiliate marketing expert. Let's get started. The first step to YouTube affiliate marketing success is to define your niche and target audience. Choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, and identify the specific audience you want to reach with your content. By narrowing down your focus, you can create content that caters to the needs and interests of your target audience, making it more likely for them to engage with your videos and affiliate links. The second key to YouTube affiliate marketing is creating high-quality and engaging videos. Invest in a good camera, microphone, and lighting setup to ensure professional-looking videos. Craft compelling scripts, use visuals, and edit your videos to keep your viewers captivated. Remember, the more engaging and valuable your content is, the more likely your audience will trust your recommendations and click on your affiliate links. Building a loyal and engaged YouTube community is another crucial aspect of YouTube affiliate marketing. Engage with your audience through comments, respond to their questions, and foster a sense of community. Encourage viewers to subscribe to your channel and turn on notifications, and make sure to consistently deliver valuable content that keeps them coming back for more. Building a loyal community will increase the chances of them supporting your affiliate promotions. The fourth key to YouTube affiliate marketing success is optimizing your videos for search engines. Conduct keyword research to identify the popular search terms related to your niche and incorporate them into your video titles, descriptions, and tags. Write keyword-rich descriptions, create eye-catching thumbnails, and include relevant timestamps to make it easier for viewers to navigate your content. By optimizing your videos for search engines, you can attract more organic traffic and potential customers. Leveraging collaborations with other YouTubers is another effective strategy for growing your channel and increasing your affiliate income. Reach out to creators in your niche and propose collaboration ideas that can benefit both parties. Collaborative videos, shoutouts, or guest appearances can introduce your channel to a new audience and build credibility. Just make sure to choose collaborators whose values align with yours and whose audience is relevant to your niche. The final key to YouTube affiliate marketing success is tracking and analyzing your performance. Utilize YouTube analytics to understand your audience's demographics, engagement metrics, and traffic sources. Identify the types of content that perform best, which videos drive the most affiliate clicks, and where your traffic is coming from. Use these insights to refine your content strategy, optimize your affiliate promotions, and continually improve your results. Congratulations! You've learned the keys to YouTube affiliate marketing success. By defining your niche, creating high-quality videos, building an engaged community, optimizing for search engines, leveraging collaborations, and tracking your performance, you can grow your channel and increase your affiliate income. Also, if you want to start making awesome videos like this one just by adding text and generating fully customized videos with a few clicks of a button. There is also a link in the description to join Pictory so you can start creating awesome videos instantly with a free trial. Thanks for watching, and we wish you the best of luck in your affiliate marketing journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others.